Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Figures just out, turning the studio red this morning. Things are down. We've got some good news, but bad news. This bad news is good news and good news is bad news. You know what I'm talking about. Retail sales today. Let's have a look at retail sales. Retail sales in the US increased 0.4 in the month of April. Now, normally that would be great. People spending money, the economy strong, businesses making profits, great. But we are in the time of the Fed. Sound a bit like Lord of the Rings there. We're in the time of the Fed, and what we need is we need the market, we need the economy to cool down so the Fed can start to pivot. They're not going to pivot. In June, it's going to be, the rates are going to stay high. We're not going to bring them down. It's more likely going to be a pause. But remember, if we have 6 months of a pause, that's like a couple of months of rate hikes and then down. So it's still not good holding the rates up. And this is the reason why, because the economy isn't cooling enough. Retail sales in the US increased 0.4% month on month in April, rebounding from 2 consecutive months of declines. If we'd have had a third month of decline, this would have been great news and the markets would have been up today. However, they know what it means for the Fed. They know it means we are still in a Fed situation where we're keeping the rate hikes high. And rate hikes high for 6 months or a year is the same as increasing them and bringing them back down again. But well below market forecast of 0.8 increase. So that's some good news. It increased, but less than we forecast. Sales, motor vehicles and part dealers were up 0.4%, and other increases were seen in sales at building materials and garden supplies in dealers, 0.5%. We're looking at Homebase today reporting. We'll go over to that in the live show today. Join us on the live show. Food services and drinking places, 0.6%. Health and personal care stores, 0.9%. Merchandise stores, 0.9%. Non-store retailers, 1.2%. And miscellaneous store retailers, 2.4%. On the other hand, sales at gas stations unexpectedly declined 0.8%, despite a rise in the price of gasoline, and sales at food and beverage stores went down 0.2%. Other decreases were also recorded for clothing, 0.3%, electronics 0.5%, and furniture 0.7%, and sporting goods, hobby, musical books, musical and books down 3.3%. However, the so-called core retail sales, which exclude automobiles, gasoline, building materials, food services, increased at a faster rate of 0.7%. So we can see how the market has reacted to this. It's better than expectations, but however, it does mean that the economy isn't cooling fast enough, and we are going to probably get the rate hikes stay where they are. If they go up again, that could be a possibility. However, if that happens, then the markets are going to really drop. Many predict that's likely. I don't think that's likely, but we can look at the S&P right now and you can see exactly what's going on. We're down 0.3 today. If you'd like to join us, we have a cash giveaway in our newsletter. Every week we try to give away prizes and stuff like that. And this week in our newsletter, we're giving away tickets, free tickets for you to win $50 in cash. All you've got to do is subscribe to my newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any point. It's free. I will never use your emails. Just click up here and that'll take you to martynlucas.com/links. And there you will see my email sign up newsletter. It's free to sign up. You can always unsubscribe. And this week on Sunday, when it comes out, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, there'll be some free tickets in there, which will point you to our competition page, and it's free to enter just by simply getting the newsletter. You'll get tickets, and then you will be entered into our draw to win $50 in cash. You don't have to be present to win. We'll contact you via email if you are drawn out of the hat, but we'll do it live on the show so you can see if you want to join in. All the information is below. All right, as always, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and ring the bell. And it would be very nice if you smash the like button if you enjoyed this. If you like me giving you money, if you like me reporting live every day, then smash the like. If you don't, then tap the like button twice. It has the same effect. All right. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.